Let's do it. Go. Can you see yet?
They're away from the dark.
What are you doing? Are you pulling on your eyelid?
Ouch!
What are you doing, bud?
Parker, do you see what's sitting right there?
Yeah, I do.
What is it?
You used to do that when I was a little boy. When I only turned one at my birthday when I was a little boy.
What'd we do?
You said, "What is it?" And I was bored and I didn't play with them even anymore.
What's that green and black thing?
My bicycle.
Huh.
How is that the same? How is that the same Batman balloon as my other one in my bedroom?
It's magical.
Yeah, it's the same one that's in my bedroom.
Not in your bedroom anymore.
It is.
Go look. Not in your bedroom anymore.
Totally anticlimactic.
Oh yes. No. So you just took it out of my bedroom?
Uh-huh. I think your sister's more excited about your birthday presents than you are.
Yeah. Where am I open up?
You want to open them?
Yeah. I totally don't know what this one is.
You totally don't.
Grandma, do you know
No,
what?
Ryan.